Hey, my name is Aryan Duggad and welcome to the one more amazing and exciting video of the Aryan Duggad YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk about which one is the best landing pages or website for the real estate agents. And if you are a real estate agent and struggling and confused between what is website, what is landing pages, which one is best for you, which one going to brings more leads and sales for you, then this video is must. You need to watch this video till the end, and I can guarantee you after watching this video till the end, you will never face any issue with by deciding like which one is the best for you, like landing pages or websites, which one you should go with. So first of all, let me tell you the quick difference between the landing pages and websites. So let's open the Google Docs, and where I can explain you more better and in a perfect way how it's all these things works. So or like without I think I don't need, but still let's do this. Landing pages versus websites. So the major reason why, and I'm not saying that website is not good, I'm not saying that landing pages is not good, I'm not saying that you should only go with landing pages, I'm not saying that you should only go with websites. Here I'm going to tell you which is the best thing for you to bring more leads and sales. So before going ahead, let me tell you, you should use landing pages. Let me tell you why. Websites has tons of different things. Like, let me show you, it's not a real estate website, it's a car dealership website. But for an example, I'm showing you, you can see there are tons of things inside the website like home, about, inventory, contact, blogs. There are tons of things. And if you are driving traffic from Facebook ads to your website, then whoever going to visit your website going to confuse what to click, where to click, why to click. They don't know what is the right call to action they have to take. And you are also not providing them any right call to action. You are just bringing traffic to your website. Like we can also see, let's see any Facebook ad about real estate. Am I going to see or not? Let's see. And any real estate ad. Why I'm not getting? Yeah, this is one of the real estate ad. We can see circle prospecting hashtag real estate agent. So if we click on their call to action, which is learn more and sell to X properties. So this is one of, so this is the real meaning of landing page, and this is how the landing page looks like. Here, they are not giving any kind of stuff like blog, customer reviews, contacts, nothing. Here is just one right call to action, which is you have to take is to register for the free webinar. That's it. And at the end of the webinar, they're going to sell you something or something else. So this is what I want to tell you. Landing pages is kind of this. Let me show you some of the landing pages from my real estate unlock method blueprint. So where it is, here it is. So it's going to open right now. So this is what I want to tell you. Here, have a look. This is what the real landing page looks like. This is how the real landing page look like. Here we want to generate leads. We don't want to take our, if you are driving traffic to your website, it's not going to convert, and I'm 100% sure it's not going to convert. This is the old school method that we are driving traffic to our websites, but you need to drive traffic and you need to run conversion optimized ads so that it's going to land on your landing page, which looks like this, which looks like this. Here they are going to register. Here is a pixel who is tracking every person, what the action they are taking, just name, email, phone number, and done. I become their lead, and now I'm going to attend the webinar. If I find the product valuable, that's it, I'm simply going to buy. So this is how the landing page looks like. Let's see, is there any more ads related to real estate? This is the in video ad, not real estate ad, real estate ad. This is one of the best landing page I ever saw. Web of 6 days, or what we can see. Any real estate ad? No, this is not that one. Let's see. Expert bio So yeah, let's go with Web Assistant's LinkedIn 5-day workshop. See, what an amazing landing page. Reviews, testimonials, call to action, little bit of FOMO, fear of losing, FAQ. This is all the things that you need in your landing page. Like your landing page should be look like no brainer. If someone visits your landing page, it feel like they have to take this action. I have to take this action to attend this workshop of 500 rupees, which is around what we can say, $4 to $5. So this is what I have to do. Like this is also one of the ad by Academy. So this is what a landing page means. Here we have just one right call to action that they have to take and they have to become our lead. But in website, there are tons of things in the website, like blogs, homes, as I already told you, someone going to click here and there, and your lead is just going to lost and you are just wasting your money by driving traffic to your website because this is not a convertible stuff. You're not going to convert a single person through this. Maybe some of them going to call you or anything else, but this is not a convertible website and this is not websites don't bring conversions. That's why most of the people say like our Facebook ads is not working, we are not getting results, we are not getting leads, our leads are not converting, because you are using the wrong thing. You are using websites don't drive results, websites don't help you to get conversions. A clear landing page will help you to get more conversions, because let me tell you why. Landing page is just a one call to action and it's built according to the human psychology. Here there is nothing, they don't even added any social media handles, and it's 100% true. You don't need to add any social media handle. Let's say I visited any website and I clicked on the social media handle, I gone through the social media handle, and then I forgot what action I have to take, because now the whole social media stuff is so much with content, like so much distraction. You don't need to put a single percent of chance so that your lead or your target audience is going to distract. They have to take action, they have to fill the form, they have to become your lead. You just need to close them. Simple stuff that I'm telling you. Simple. That's it. You just need to focus on that. Build a landing pages. Website, don't work on websites. Yeah, if you want to do SEO kind of stuff, then yes, you can go with the websites. But if you are driving traffic with the paid ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, YouTube ads, whatever ads, LinkedIn ads, you need landing page. Landing page and Facebook ads going to work. Only alone Facebook ads not going to work. There are lots of people who might say you Facebook ad doesn't work for me. If let's say Facebook ads is working for any other realtor but for not you, why? Problem is not in Facebook ads, problem is in you. You need to fix that. You need to focus on creating awesome landing pages, not awesome websites. That's why. So this is what I want to tell you. Focus on good landing pages, not on just websites, because websites don't bring you results. Websites don't bring you high quality leads and conversions, but a right landing page will definitely going to do this for you, because this is what you need. So there are lots of tool out there in the market you can use, but my favorite one is ClickFunnels that I use to drive to build awesome landing pages, convertible landing pages that brings immense results to all my clients out there. That's it. So I hope you find this video valuable. And if you are a realtor watching this video and want to scale their business and add $10,000 to $50,000 more in their monthly income, so what you have to do, simply just book a one-on-one consultation call with me, which is $97 worth. But I'm going to give you this for free, and very limited seats are available there. Like most of my slots are already booked. I only do 5 meetings to 6 meetings every day, and you can see like here, 2 meetings are still there. Here, some of the meetings are slots out still there. So go to the smartermarketing.com, choose your preferred date and time when we can contact with each other, and just book a call with me and let's do a one-on-one conversation. I will give you the best strategies, best stuff that will help you to scale your real estate business to the next level. So I hope you find this video valuable. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I appreciate your valuable time that you spend on my video. And before going ahead, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. So see you tomorrow with one more amazing and exciting video. Till then, bye bye.